Welcome. In this video we're going to take a look at how to detect the xData ransomware variant that suddenly appeared on networks today on 20th of May 2017. Now the product I'm going to use to detect it is as our own LangGuardian. It uses network traffic analysis to spot suspicious activity. And previously I created this ransomware monitoring dashboard. Now if you download the trial version of LangGuardian, it has this already set up. If you just want to detect ransomware, just download the trial. It's fully functional for 30 days, so there's nothing you need to buy here if you just want to get a quick health check on your network. So I'm going to update it to have an extra element here for looking at the xData variant. To do that, click on All Reports, go to Windows File Share, search by file or folder name. In the file or folder name, type in xData and leave it on Contains. The xData ransomware, it does rename files. So let's say if you have a document called finance.doc, it'll be changed to finance.doc. Probably tilde symbol xData and another tilde symbol. So just use xData in Contains. Possibility on large networks you make one or two false positives, but it's still a really good way of detecting any issues on your network. Run a report. I don't get any results, which is good. Then click on Action, Save As. I'm just going to call it Ransomware xData. I previously saved it here. Just give it a name, press Save. Go back to my dashboard, go to Edit. Let's type in here xData, so that's added at the bottom here, and Save. So that's now watching out for any of those files that appear in my file shares. And we'll also show you the client, and you can also get the username so you know what user to contact. Now, on the right hand side, there are some elements here which are really good for watching out for any variant of ransomware. The trend here shows us the level of renaming that's occurring on my network. If this starts increasing, I need to drill down and get to find out what client is doing the renaming. Further down, we can see the actual, we'll actually show the clients here that's renaming. I don't have any instances at the moment. This element here looks at any SMBv1. Now, you definitely need to root that out of your network. The recent ransomware variants have been targeting the SMBv1 protocol. This element here looks at any outbound traffic of port 445. That will be suspicious, so you need to close it off on your firewall if you see any instances of that there. In fact, I'm going to add a second report associated with this. I want to see if there's any inbound 445 traffic. So to do that, just type in top clients here at the top. Oops. So type in here top clients. In the source, if you started with exclamation mark and then 10, whatever your subnets are, so if you're using private addressing, then 10.0.0.0, in my case, /8 and 192.168.0.0/16. So I'm looking for any traffic where the source is not local and the destination port is 445. Run that report. I shouldn't get results, which is good. I don't see any there. So actions, save this report off. So we call this inbound 445. Save that. Go back now to my dashboard. Modify it. So we want to go for inbound 445. I'm going to move that report here to this column. Save that off. Okay, so definitely this is my first port of call if there's any suspicious activity. I've got my two inbound and outbound reports there now, and I've got the new xData one searching. So again, if you're watching on YouTube, click the link at the bottom of the video here. That'll bring you to our ransomware dashboard blog post. There's a lot more information in there around what you need to watch out for, and also how can you set up a data source on your network.